Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to change your background in Google Meet. You can change the background before joining or during a meeting. Let's start before joining. On the preview screen, look at the bottom of your video. Click the Background and Effects button. A panel will open on the right side. Under Backgrounds, choose a preset image, blur option, or click the plus icon to upload your own image. Once selected, click Join. Your virtual background will be active. Now, if you are already inside a meeting, move your mouse to the bottom of the screen. Click the three dots button. Click Background and Effects. The same side panel will appear. Choose a background or upload your own image. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.